It's a 40 volt lithium 6 amp hour battery. It's typical of Ryobi tools. I have a lawnmower. My lawnmower battery died after about 4 years, and I had to replace it with another one. And the factory original one is quite a bit more expensive than this one. There's an aftermarket battery, and it works just great. It's got the same exact specs as the original. But here's the thing. That's the original. Look how big it is. Look how heavy it is. They're both rated exactly the same. This is about 1/3 retail the cost on Amazon. And so if you're going to replace one of your 40 volt batteries for your Ryobi 40 volt lithium battery powered tools, this is the one.